Côte Rôtie is, yes, absolutely one of the most prestigious red wine appellations in France and a wine area located in the northern part of the Rhone Valley wine region. Syrah is the king red grape here, as over the whole of the Côte Rôtie area, Syrah is the only Rhone red grape that is planted. Côte Rôtie wines can sometimes be made with the addition of the iconic Rhone white grape called Viognier. That can represent up to 20% of the blends. Viognier brings in finesse, acidity and a distinctive floral character to the spicy and powerful notes from the almighty Syrah. Côte Rôtie as an area is characterized by very steep slopes overlooking the river itself. Those steep hillsides reach heights of around 1150 feet or 330 meters. This unique position next to the Rhone River helps with the ripening of the grapes through light reflection over the river's waters. Fun fact, Côte Rôtie translates into the roasted slope in French because of this unique physical phenomenon. But the river also allows to temper the intense heats of summer for more finesse and minerality into the wines. The slopes of Côte Rôtie count with about 10 narrow ridges, 10 different terroirs, the most famous of which have been named and give birth to the finest wines, illustrious names you often see alongside the Côte Rôtie name itself on wine labels that you buy at your wine shop. Those names are such as the Côte Brune, the Côte Blonde, La Mouline, so those are the different terroirs that you find in Côte Rôtie, La Landonne or La Turque. There are two slightly different acknowledged wine styles in Côte Rôtie, represented one by the Côte Blonde terroir that we talked about earlier. Understand the blonde slope with a yellow sandy soil giving more opulent and generous expressions of Syrah that is often mellowed by a little bit of Viognier, while the Côte Brune, understand the brown slope, has an irony soil that delivers more tannic and sharper wines that require longer cellaring to reach their full potential, and that is often seen as a varietal pure Syrah wine. Producer and winery E. Guigal from Etienne Guigal is credited for having brought the Côte Rôtie wine back to the attention of all wine lovers around the world. Guigal makes some of the best Côte Rôtie wines, arguably, but is it really arguable? I will actually be reviewing a Côte Rôtie wine on this very channel very soon, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more about this. Côte Rôtie wines are always made in a very small quantities due to this very difficult terrain and limited vineyard surfaces. They are rather rare and very demanded and therefore rather expensive, starting around $60–70 if you're lucky and up to around $400 for the best examples, and that's in recent vintages. It could be much more expensive for older wines. The good Côte Rôtie wines must be cellared at least for 10 years before drinking and can better with time for at least 20–30 years. Have fun with it. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, the wonderful world of vino. This was Julien for Social Vigneron signing off, and I hope you're doing great, guys. Santé, au revoir, cheers, bye bye.